Welcome to virtual class of physical education class plus 2 unit 5 children and women in sports topic 14 sports participation of women in India. Women sports in India yet to reach its peak. The Mughal ruled India for countries for British for another and half century, but it was only after 1947 when we achieved independence that we started developing as a modern nation with special right to women. Indian women are still trying to establish their own identity. There is hug differences between life in the cities and metro and life in the small town and village. On one hand, in the metros and bigger cities, we see India competing with the Western world, and other hand there is the real India which exists in the smaller town and village. Education, lifestyle, money and income, source of income, eating habits, discouraging habits, dwelling and attitude, everything is different from one region of India to another. This particularly is true for the life of women in India. In the metros and the big cities, we see girls and women going out, being educated and making career. They are at par with any man. In many ways, they are even better. Women in India are still unable to take a stand for themselves. Gender equality is a deep rooted issue, and order to change the situations, the measures need to be taken. Time have to change and are improving, but there is still a lot of achieved. Men have a upper hand in all spheres of life. Although in general the women sports scenario in India is not very good, some Indian women have made novel achievement in the field.